This video will be an unboxing, setup, and review of the Arpha wire-free camera add-on K03. Okay, so for full disclosure, this has been sent to me for a review, and here's that review. And by the way, of course, there'll be a link down there in the description to this product if you decide you want to purchase it. Nice boxing. This feels very solid. That's quite surprising. Okay. There's the mount. That's it. Guessing this takes batteries, and this might be the location. Nope. Sync wire. Okay. Okay, so reading the directions here, it says charging time takes up to 3.5 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in and charge it. And charging, the steady white light is on, and when it's fully charged, it'll turn off. So let me go ahead and plug that in and get it charging. And this will be a good opportunity for me to test out my new little power bank I have over here. Pick this up just for such occasions. That short cable. So let's go ahead and plug that in here. And peel this back and plug it in. Okay, so it's flashing, so it is charging, so I'm going to let it set here and attempt to time it. 1:22 for my time mark. Alright, so the camera charged up within an hour for me, so it had a pretty good partial charge on it already. So next I need to download the Arpha app and install it so I can communicate to it. So we're going to go to the Google Play Store. Yeah, I'm an Android user. Search for app, and this is Arpha app. And this is the one I want right here. Hit open. Agree to the policy. If you do not have an account, you'll need to sign up first. I believe I have an account. And I'm going to pause this recording right here for a second while I log in. Okay, so I did the login thing off camera there because I don't want you to have my login information. Sorry. Allow. Now it's going to look for a device, so I'm assuming I probably need to turn this on or something. Yep, there's the on-off switch right there. And I'm going to go ahead and pull this off. There we go. And I think my Bluetooth's probably turned off. Let me make sure it's on. Alright. Add device. Consent to all the stuff there. Okay, this has to use this camera, so it helps to read directions occasionally. I don't see a blinking indicator, so I'm going to turn this off and back on. Off, back on. There we go. Made some noises. Okay, it said use just smart cam Wi-Fi. Hit next. Did that. Okay. It's not the one I want to get on. Okay, so I'm going to set it to my network. Done. Then I'm going to input the password here. Next. Alright. Okay. Heard a prompt. And we wait 2 minutes. Hopefully not. There we go. It found it. I mistyped my password a while ago. Security camera successfully. Hit next. Test it. Okay. I guess you can give it weather alerts for specific temperatures. Interesting. Security camera. There we go. Okay, so next would be mounting it, and in the future I'm going to add this. I'm not sure where I want to mount it. Probably should have thought that through a little better. Anyway, this uses just a standard 1/4-20, I believe, right there for the mount. And it's got pretty good range of movement there as well. So now you just go out and mount it wherever you want it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just set it outside out here so you guys can, so we can get some video of what it looks like. Oh, I almost forgot something really important too. SD card. Pop an SD card in there so it can save video. Let me do that real quick. So this camera does not come with an SD card. It's not mandatory for the camera to have one. You can also use the cloud setting as well. But I have one, so I'm going to put it in there. Put that on there to seal it good. And I'm assuming we can go into the app here. So I got an SD card error. So now it's going to format it. Hopefully there's nothing worth keeping on that card. Oops, probably not. Okay, so good. Now I'm going to go mount this guy outside. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and mount it right here. Oh, and it comes with a little reset pin also. And don't forget to tighten this down as well, so it don't go floppy floppy. Okay, so I got the camera mounted and all that fun stuff. So let's take a look at the app real quick. So there's my backyard. And let's go through the menu here. So this right here will full screen it. And then from here, we can push on the mic. And if you have, give it privileges or access rights to this, and now we can talk through the speaker out there. Then right here we got our screen grab, and here we can just record and save it onto your phone. So this way you can save video as it happens without needing the SD card in the camera itself. So let's go back over. And so we got that. So you got a link to your gallery there, anti-flicker. Anti-flicker is mainly good for if you're around fluorescent lights indoors or something like that. The volume, motion detection, turn it on and off. Siren. and it did make noises out there. You can't hear it, but it did. Playback. So playback goes into the SD card, and you can see my hand there. So there's the stuff caught on the SD card. What else we got here? Theme color, so you can change the theme color from light to dark. Guess you can change the aspect ratio there. There's the speaker, so you can hear what it is saying. What am I missing here? What else we got? Message center. So I don't have my notifications for this app turned on, and this is the reason why you actually want it turned on, so you can get notifications when it's triggered and see events when it happens live. Motion detected. View. And this does it through encrypted channels. There we go. Hoping to catch some deer out there. That would be great. If we can catch that next day or two. Oh, I don't really want to exit out. Just kidding. Grid view device management. Security camera. So you can remove the device if you'd like. A little feedback here. Scene. So there's actually quite a few different things you can do in here. I'm really not going to go through them all, but I guess it's kind of like I don't want to say the name, probably trigger it. Alexa. And that you can set up different scenes. So if it sees motion, it'll alert you, and apparently it has it even for temperature, humidity, stuff like that. So that's pretty handy. So anyway, the camera, it does do night vision too, and I'll try to capture some actual footage tonight and then tomorrow, and I'll kind of tag it on here on the end of the video. And I believe this is all 1080p, right? Let me verify that. So yes, I did look it up. It's 1080p. And by the way, of course, as always, there'll be a link down there in the description. If you'd like to purchase one of these, I'd appreciate it. You purchasing through that link, because then I'll get a little teeny bit of commission off of it. Oh, and the battery. A charging is good for 160 hours. So that lasts a while. And might want to subscribe to the channel and hit the notifications. What I'm going to do is I'm going to install this solar shield right here, solar panel, which looks like it might have been installed before. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to install this panel right here to charge it, to keep it charged, so that way I don't even have to worry about bringing it in to charge. So look for that in a future video, and we'll see how that works out for me. So thank you for watching. Oh, no, thank you for watching. So while you're watching this sample video, I thought I'd give you my final thoughts on the camera. Very easy to set up. It's solid. I like that it uses the USB-C to charge it, which means you can put a solar panel on it easily and just have it charge that battery during the day. The battery life, I've actually been using it for almost a week now, and it's only gone down to, what was it, 87% or so. So the battery life seems to hold up very well. And even if you don't put a solar panel on it, you shouldn't have to charge it that often, once every 2-3 months, because I've actually been using it pretty heavy as testing. So anyway, I like the camera overall. And again, if you want to purchase one, look down there in the description. There'll be a link to it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.